Welcome! Discover the remarkable health benefits of gelatine. From enhancing joint health and improving skin to promoting better sleep and balancing hormones, adding this powerful protein to your diet can significantly boost your overall well-being. Gelatine is a clear, flavorless substance derived from the collagen found in various animal parts, such as connective tissues and bones. Essentially, gelatine is made from collagen, a vital protein that provides structure to our bones, skin, tendons, and ligaments. How is gelatine made? The process of creating gelatine involves extracting as much collagen as possible from animal parts. This collagen is then processed into a gelatinous powder, which dissolves in hot liquids and solidifies upon cooling. Packed with vitamins, minerals, like copper, selenium, and phosphorus, and essential amino acids, gelatine is also an excellent source of protein. In fact, gelatine is 98–99% protein, with the remaining 1–2% consisting of water and trace amounts of vitamins and minerals. Notably, gelatine is rich in the amino acid glycine. Benefits of gelatine are anti-aging effects. Gelatine helps improve and repair skin, protecting it from free radicals and minimizing the risk of damage. Joint health. Gelatine supports cartilage, tissue, and joint health, helping to relieve pain and discomfort associated with inflammation. Bodybuilders and athletes have long used gelatine for this purpose. Gastrointestinal support. Gelatine aids in the production of stomach acids and natural digestive enzymes, reducing acid reflux, bloating, and indigestion. Calming nerves and anxiety. The glycine in gelatine can help calm nerves and reduce anxiety. Adding gelatine to your diet, perhaps in smoothies, is a tasty way to benefit from this effect. Preserving muscle mass. During long illnesses, muscle mass can decrease, but adding gelatine to your diet can help preserve it. Athletes can also benefit from gelatine, as its amino acids speed up recovery times. Hormone balance. Glycine in gelatine helps control insulin levels and prevent hypoglycemia. It also aids in the production of glutathione, which helps remove excess estrogen, a hormone linked to certain cancers in women. Balancing high meat intake. Gelatine helps balance the amino acid methionine found in meat and eggs, which can elevate homocysteine levels, a risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and mental illness. Liver detoxification. The glycine in gelatine is crucial for liver detoxification processes. Strengthening hair and nails. Gelatine contains keratin, a protein that strengthens hair, nails, and teeth, promoting healthier growth. Sleep improvement. Glycine, an amino acid in gelatine, can help you fall asleep faster and improve the quality of your sleep. Fighting inflammation. Gelatine helps combat inflammation, which is linked to various illnesses. Bone broth, rich in gelatine, is a delicious and effective way to keep inflammation at bay. Incorporating gelatine into your diet can offer a range of health benefits, from supporting joint health and enhancing skin to improving sleep and balancing hormones. Whether through bone broth, smoothies, or other means, adding this nutrient-rich substance to your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to boost your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Incorporate gelatine into your diet today and start enjoying its amazing benefits. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.